We're here today at Bay Area Bluestone in San Rafael and just wanted to take a closer look at some of their material samples. So Bay Area Bluestone is open to the trade only, but they do have a demo section where they show a lot of the different materials that they sell, and there's a lot of interesting stuff that they have here. You can see up here, first off, we've got a light blue thermal bluestone, and this is a natural bluestone there, so you can see that thermal texture in there. And that's a 1-inch material there. And that's sort of the traditional bluestone when we talk about like a bluestone tile that's been gauged and thermal to be consistent, as opposed to a more natural material like a full range natural cleft bluestone. So that's that sample there. They've got another one that looks like it's a Italian stone, which is an Italian blue as opposed to a Pennsylvania blue, and that's been surfaced, so you can see this this surface there. And then the next two are real interesting. This is a porcelain tile by Kronos, and you know, to the casual observer, you wouldn't even know that this is not a natural bluestone. So this is their full range product in Kronos, and you know, again, just looking at it, it looks just like what you would see on a natural bluestone product. So that's that Kronos full range there. And then this is Kronos's version of thermal blue. So this is similar to what we'd see on a, so you can see the light Pennsylvania there, and then you can see the thermal blue in the Kronos porcelain tile. The advantage of the porcelain material is the availability is better, and then all these tiles, they're completely true, so they're not field cut in the quarry, so every piece is identical, and that definitely is not the case with bluestone. Even with thermal bluestone tile, there's definitely a variance that may be, you know, 1/4 inch variance or more, which makes the material harder to install. So that's the advantage of the porcelain materials, which have really come a long way. Very much like what's happened in interior flooring, where engineered woods and a lot of these different interior tiles and laminates and all that have really advanced over the last 10-15 years. We're starting to see that same thing really penetrate the space of outdoor tile materials and really come a long way there. So good overview of the Kronos here. Next door to Kronos is another porcelain material, this one by Landmark, in a little bit different tone, which is nice because it kind of complements if we're looking for a lighter tone. So we can see the bluestone, which is more true blue-gray. Here in the Kronos, or in the Landmark, this lighter material here, we're picking up some lighter tones, a little bit kind of light slatey colors, light flagstone colors with some lighter grays, a little bit of brown in there. And then next door is their more blue cast in that Landmark, so you can see those bigger pieces in there. So real interesting stuff here down at Bay Area Bluestone in terms of their tile material, and they've started carrying in stock a lot more of this material in terms of both porcelain, and then obviously, you know, they've got a big yard here of all the different both natural bluestone and then porcelain, Italian stone. So they carry a good selection of material.